Good afternoon, students. Today, we want to continue on our topic, circle and its property. And today, we are going to learn how to draw concentric and eccentric circles. 2, we are going to look at how to draw a tangent to a circle. And the third one is how to draw a tangent to a circle from a point outside a circle. To draw concentric and eccentric circle, a concentric circle is a set of circles whereby the circle has the same center but different radius. So you have the same center but different radius. So you have to pick the first center, then you draw the circle one after the other by changing the radius of each circle. So when you extend it, you have concentric circle. But in the case of eccentric circle, you have different center. Like the center of this one is here. The second one, the center is in another location. You have different center and different radius. As the circle is becoming bigger, you have different center for it. So you can draw your concentric circle by picking a particular point and another point, draw a bigger and circle of a larger radius. That's concentric and eccentric circle. But to draw a tangent to a circle from a point outside the inside the circle, so on the circumference, we can do that. So to draw a tangent to a circle, that is, the first thing is to pick a point on the circumference. And let's say that's our point P. And we want to draw a tangent to E. A tangent is a line that touches a circumference of a circle at a point. So from the center of the circle, draw a line to that point P. And this line will revert to it as normal. So at the point of the normal, you bisect your line. You bisect that line normal at the point P. That is, placing your compass on at point P, you mark an arc. Also, this reference arc you use to produce an arc up and down. And so, with that, you join the point to meet this point P. So this point will revert to this one as the tangent to point P on the circumference. So with this, when you have the circle, you draw the normal, then you draw your arc and get the tangent to A. But in a situation whereby you want to draw a tangent to circle from a point outside the circle, what you need to do is locate the center of the circle, then join it to that point P. So after joining it, you bisect the point, that's the center of the circle, and the point. When you draw, you bisect it. You are all familiar with how to bisect. When you put your compass at this end, any convenient radius, draw an arc up and down and bisect it with this one. So you draw the bisector to get the midpoint of O and P. After that, with this point, draw a semicircle to cut the circumference of the circle somewhere around this point. So you draw a semicircle to join O and P. The point where this arc, that semicircle, cut the circle, is point of a tangent to point P. So with aid of your ruler, join that point to it. And this one is tangent to the circle from a point P outside the circle. From a point P outside a circle. So when you want to draw this, you take note from the center to the point P, you bisect this, the line, get the bisector, from the point of bisector, draw the arc and join it with a point or target. So when we get our Google Classroom, we are going to look at it critically and follow the step one after the other. So I wish you well till we meet again. God bless you.